Hello everybody. Tonight we have a 52-inch Murray Feiss Riverboat ceiling fan in antique brass with oak accents. This fan is from April of 1989. It's manufactured by Halsey. I picked this fan up at the local Goodwill for, I believe it was $9.99. It came complete except for the blades. These blades are a set I picked up at the Muncie Habitat. I figured, they look alright on it, so might as well use them. This fan will soon be condemned to Ailes Acres, where good fans go, where NCons go to die. That's it. So we'll go ahead and turn the fan on low speed. Inside the fan is a standard Halsey 153 by 16 millimeter motor, probably 12 or 13 degree blade pitch. I do like the sideband detailing on this fan. That definitely is one of the most prominent features of it. I also have another one of these, completely identical, that I'm keeping for myself. Low speed is too fast, in my opinion. I am a big fan of slower low speeds. If you want air movement, that's what high speed's for. So we'll go ahead and switch the fan to medium. Sadly, this fan does have some Sharpie on it because for whatever reason, Goodwill loves to do that. One of the blade arms on this fan is also slightly bent from how it was sitting on the shelf because, most people don't care about ceiling fans. Already on medium speed, it's moving pretty good air. It's got a little bit of a wobble to it, but nothing unmanageable. So go ahead and turn it up to high. The bearings on this fan are a little stiff, but they are not noisy, so it probably just has not been ran in a while. On high speed, it performs really well. Most Halsey products, the late 80s, early 90s, were pretty good performers, even with 153s in them. It's going about, I'd say, 180 to 200 RPMs on high speed, and it's moving some pretty decent air. So I'll go ahead and take you up to the airflow. It's the most powerful fan ever? Nah, but it does move pretty great air for a fan of this quality. And we'll go ahead and turn this fan off. Forgot to mention that it also did come with a 4-arm light kit. I figured I would take it off for the video because I'm using it on something else right now, which will be receiving a video soon enough. Coincidentally, the fan I put the light kit from this on also did come from Goodwill. Alright, that's the end of this fan. You know what to do. Gabe doing fan things, signing off.